This week on Aussie Outdoors, we installed a new 4-inch lift kit from Superior in the GQ Patrol. We get up to an absolute mischief with the boys. Not only do we install the new suspension, we get to put on some new sponsored rock lights from AUSSIE. So make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and get right into the video. Let's go. G'day guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're working on the suspension, getting 4-inch lift kit in the GQ Patrol. So let's go. Alright, so we've got the old coil out now, we've got the new coil going in. Maybe. Oh, watch your hands. Like that, that's it.
You lower that?
Yeah. Look at the calorie lean.
I'm just gonna get it.
Tastes like metal for some reason.
Alrighty, so gave up last night. It's the next day now. It's a Friday afternoon. Back down undercover. Got the patrol, and we're finishing off the suspension. I just got the first rear coil out. Everything's unbolted down there, as you can see. So I got the new coils there, and new shock somewhere around here. And we're going to put all that in, as well as new upper and lower control arms and panhards. So we're going to do that. We did the front coils and shocks last night, and then we tried to do the rear, but it fell over. So that's alright. Brought it down here now, and we're going to finish it off.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, just working on a bit of suspension.
Oh shit, come.
Fucked up.
Ooh. Ooh. Gee.
Ready?
Yep.
That didn't work.
Yeah. Yeah.
Here, beer.
Lila's an alcoholic. She's gonna turn around and fucking say.
Say something cool, Andy.
Action.
Action. Action.
Yeah.
And crushes Andy's skull.
What says on the
That's not
back?
even touch.
Calling it that.
Yeah, you gotta lift it.
Hold up.
Yeah, sick chat. With lowering it.
Wee. Fresh paint. G.
Wait, watch the jacks.
Wait, when did you do that? Oh man. Anyways, Andy.
Oh! Say something cool?
Get his butt
Say
cracked.
something funny.
Alrighty, so that's the suspension in. We finished up last night. We got the rear coils and shocks in, so it's sitting at 4-inch all round. I've got 5-inch shocks in. Just put the front sway bar in now. Got to put the rear disconnect links in, and then the suspension's pretty much done. We're going to Fraser in like 3 days, so I'm not going to worry about the panhard or the upper control arms. I put the lower ones in because we had to take them out to put the coils in. So I'm not going to worry about that right now because I've got a few other things to do. But we also have a brand new sponsor for the channel, which is AUSSIE, and I have some really good looking rock lights to go in. So we're going to install these now, see how they look. I'm very keen and excited to get these in. So let's put these in and see how they are. So I'm just bolting these rock lights up now. Just some screws. I only got 4, so I've got one in the front wheel arch and one right at the back of the rear wheel arch, so when you're off-roading at night you're able to sort of see both of them, so that's the idea behind it. And make sure you get all the cables out of the road before you do it, so nothing gets pinched and ruined. And just like that, I have all 4 rock lights mounted, so I got to go through and tidy up the excess slack, just some zip ties along the existing loom that's here. Alrighty, so it's now night time. I have the lights installed on the car. As you can see there, looking pretty good. I'm just packing for Fraser now, heading to Fraser in a couple of days, so that'll be good. But yeah, I'll turn you around and show you them. As you can see down there, you have the AUSSIE lights. Then you come up along here, and there are the other ones. And it looks amazing. Yeah, so make sure you head over to the AUSSIE store online and use my code or the link in the description for 15% off their products. I think it's just the rock lights at the moment, but not too sure. But yeah, so make sure you do that, and thanks for watching. We got the suspension done, the rock lights done this video, and we're basically Fraser ready now. Just got to get the boat done. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one when we're at Fraser. So catch you later.